Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Acacia Wood Cutting Board with a stunning resin jack-o'-lantern pumpkins pattern, perfect for adding a touch of Halloween flair to your kitchen. Expertly handcrafted by LILKUISYN's skilled artisans, each board is a unique masterpiece, ensuring your kitchen centerpiece is truly one of a kind. Made from premium acacia wood, this board provides a durable and safe platform for all your culinary endeavors, with its natural texture offering excellent friction to prevent slipping during food preparation. Measuring 15 by 10 inches, this versatile board is not only a creative Halloween decoration but also serves as a functional tool for meal prep and elegant serving, allowing you to chop, slice, and dice with ease, and then showcase cheeses, charcuterie, meats, vegetables, and fruits in style. It makes for a thoughtful gift idea for any occasion, from housewarmings to weddings, and is perfect for families, couples, and anyone who loves to create and enjoy exceptional culinary experiences. The food-safe resin preserves the captivating graphics, ensuring lasting beauty without chipping or fading, and if you ever encounter any issues, LILKUISYN is always there to assist you. Celebrate the joy of functional artistry with this exquisite cutting board and elevate your kitchen experience to a whole new level. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.